So when I see a patient that comes to my clinic with the symptom of difficulty swallowing, if they're a younger male patient that has other allergic problems such as asthma or hay fever or eczema, and they've had difficulty swallowing with perhaps food impaction, the number one thing on my list nowadays is eosinophilic esophagitis. There are other important causes of difficulty swallowing, including gastroesophageal reflux disease, but most patients that have reflux disease and have difficulty swallowing will tell you they've had bad heartburn, and usually the heartburn's been going on for years before they start having trouble swallowing. So if they don't have heartburn and they're a younger male patient with other allergic problems, eosinophilic esophagitis is the primary consideration. Other causes of difficulty swallowing in adult patients, other than gastroesophageal reflux disease, there's an entity known as a Schatzki's ring, which is a little small fibrous band of tissue located at the lower part of the esophagus that can trap food, and that's another common cause of difficulty swallowing. There are disorders called motility problems, things like esophageal spasm or a condition called achalasia, where the esophagus is contracting too much that can trap food particles and give a symptom of dysphagia. And there are other less common causes of dysphagia. But again, anytime a patient presents to my clinic with difficulty swallowing, they need further investigation to look for the cause.